What if I told you your videos could look professional without upgrading your gear like this footage? In this video, I'm going to show you the exact editing workflow that makes your normal footage look professional inside Filmora 15. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. First, launch Filmora and start a project. Then click Import your footage into the media bin and place it on the timeline. As you can see, this is normal footage. Now let's turn it into Pro. Enhance footage. First, we will enhance the footage. For that, select your footage, go to the Settings panel, and under the Video tab, scroll down to the AI Video Enhancer and select Topaz Starlight and click on Generate. This feature enhances your footage by improving the colors and also removing the noise. Curves. Next, we will use curves to fix the brightness and shadow. Select the Color tab from the settings and then select the curves. Create a point on highlight and shadow. Then create an S-curve. This will make your footage look better than before. You can use the before and after buttons to see the changes. Relight. Now let's use Relight to make the footage look pro. In the Settings panel, under the video, scroll down and enable the Relight. Then select the Ambient, and then select Neon Color Light. And your footage will get 2 lights. Now select the Light 1, change light type to Point, and under Object select Background, so that the light only works on the background, not person, in your footage. Then choose the color according to your choice. And then adjust the distance, light intensity, highlight, and light radius and intensity. Now adjust the light position, then select the Light 2, change the light type to Point, and under Object select Background, then choose the color according to your choice. Then adjust the distance, light intensity, highlight, and light radius and intensity, and then adjust the light position. Adjusting the light radius intensity makes the background brighter or darker. Next, click on the plus sign and add another light. Then change the light type to Point, and under Object select People. Now this light only works on the people in the footage. Select the color and then adjust the distance, light intensity, highlight, light radius, and radius intensity. As we are using this light on a person, do not increase the intensity much. Keep it subtle. Finally, adjust the light position. After placing the light, adjust the light radius and intensity. Next, add another light, and this time, keep the light type to Directional and under Object select People, and choose the color which suits best. And we will use it on the other side of the face, then adjust the distance and adjust highlight and radius, then finally adjust the light position. Once done, you can save the relight as a preset. Click on Save Preset, give name to it, and click on Save. Now you can see your saved relight under the Presets tab. Sharpen. Go to the Effects tab, then select NewBlue FX, and under the Essential folder you will get the Sharpen effect. Drag and place it onto the timeline and adjust the duration. Then go to the Effects setting and set Sharpen to finish the process. Now let's see the final preview. And here's the before and after comparison. You can see the difference. Converting normal footage into a pro without any expensive gear is super easy in Filmora 15. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one.